Hi there guys, in today's video with VinylCut we'll be looking at the 3D rotate effect. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Guys, will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now with your text or shape selected, which drag a selection box over it or select it here in your layers panel. We want to go on top here to navigate. To effects. We want to navigate to effects and then 3D rotate. Now from the pop-up menu, we have a few different options. Just make sure your auto preview is on so we can kind of see the effect happen as we change it. Then on top here, we've got X, Y, and Z axis. So if you want to rotate it in those directions, then we've got perspective. So let's first look at the X. So if you want to rotate it kind of, how we put it, vertically, then we've got the Y, which is horizontally, left to right, or the top one, X up, top to bottom. And then we've got the Z, which is kind of like on a pivot point, clockwise or counterclockwise. Now if we set the perspective here, just set it about 50. Then if we set these, it should start looking a bit more 3D, as you can see. And then as we set this perspective up, creates even more perspective. So you can imagine you can play around and get some very interesting effects with just playing around with perspective and angles of these rotations. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basic on the 3D rotation. Obviously, you just click OK, then it'll finalize that effect. Now, you could get carried away quite a bit with this, like I do. Quite a fun little tool. But otherwise, yeah, if we navigate here to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available here. If you just navigate to the download section, it's available for Windows and Mac currently. Otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. And like I mentioned, you can see we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And then you can also isolate your search on top here if you're looking for anything specific. Otherwise, if you still don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request the training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.